Demo number 14 of the State of the Invade, and what I'm going to be showing here is latest steps here in bot detection. I'll just run the program and show you for starters. You'll see there's no bots on the screen, and that first bot I created here, it's a blue dot, meaning like no other bots are on the screen, so that thus there's no bots near that bot. It's by itself. I create another bot. It's by itself. No bots are touching it. Another bot. No bots are near it. Within 100 pixels. The second a bot comes within another bot, as you can see there, they align in between them, showing that they are within a range, that they've crossed paths, that they're within a certain range of each other. You'll see the more I put on the screen, the more interaction that's happening.
William, get out of the shower.
High endurance body wash from Old Spice. You're going back to jail until the more deadly enemy came after them.
With this logic, I can build upon this and perhaps design some kind of tracking routine where a bot can follow another bot. Right now they're all running independently. They don't care which way the other one's going. But the next step would be to make a little routine that allows one to change direction and move in the same direction as the other one. Not only move in the same direction, but to step toward it, if possible, if it's going the same speed. And speed is an issue here, because if one's going in a certain angle, right now they only move in 9 different directions, or 8 different directions, up, down, left, right, and then the 4 corners. But it's important for me to be able to build some code that allows them to move in a step pattern, or in a one left, one right, up, down. Right now they're just going all the way up, or all the way down, or all the way left, or all the way right. But let's just put a whole bunch on the screen here and see how that looks. You'll see that I'm definitely progressing with this, but still I'm trying to figure out what kind of game am I going to make with this. What's the end result? I haven't really looked that far in the future, but I've dreamt of some different kind of ideas that I could do with this, but implementing those ideas are in the far future, but they're just thoughts and visions. But to be able to write the code to do the thoughts that I have is one thing, but I'm happy on how it's coming along here, slowly. Every day, more and more, I'm doing more and more things to make this come together. And it's funny how I see a commercial on the TV for a game design school. You know, I mean, I'm in a sense educating myself on how to program this, and perhaps maybe going to a school would be good for me. But hindsight, let's continue on programming, and the code that does that is right here. I added a pen, a couple lines of code here that activates the pen color. I'm going to change this to green, it might look better, and it goes from the first bot to the second bot. Right here. There's the second bot, and there's the first bot. Let's run this again with the green line. It might look kind of cool. Yeah, green's a little more soothing. But still,
is there something wrong with my attitude? No, he's the one with the attitude.
It's kind of cool to see the bots interact like this, especially when they all choose your own direction. But it'd be even more fun to see them interact with each other and like hunt each other down, and maybe perhaps cancel each other or grow, you know, or spawn a friendly, or not this. See, that's where I gotta think here. That's the game there. The game concept. Am I gonna make bases and have each player spawn these things out in mass numbers and let them attack each other and let the winner win? And let the loser lose? Like, what's the result of this game gonna be? What's the gameplay gonna be? I know I want to write network code, so that way these bots are activated and controlled through the network. But yet I want it so that lots of players can play it, not just one or two, and have it so that each game is on a timer, and a lobby, have a website where users can register an account, and then they join a league or something, and maybe they have some kind of strategy involved where when you build, where when I build these little walls, you know, when the walls are built, that might add some kind of strategy to the game. But definitely, it's easier to see what happens when the blocks are down. Huh. That's kind of funny. Okay, anyways, that's the current game as it is right now. State of the Invade, demo number 14. You want to get a hold of me? That's burndata at Hotmail. Later.